baseball card fever. I really got a baseball card fever. It started with my very first pack. A dozen.
Hey, what up, collectors? Diego here with another Sports Cards Detour, or to take you on another Sports Cards Detour. This one is my little rummage, or I don't know, little thing about the Young Guns. Basically, it's a small gun show. That's it, a small gun show. And by gun show, I mean like Young Guns, Upper Deck Young Guns for hockey, like this one right here. You know, it was for me. It came out of a break. Felipe Meyer for the Flyers. Here's another one. Got two of them. Sheldon Dries for Colorado. Got two Michael DeCauley. I think that's how you say his name. Mackenzie Blackwood for the Devils. Borgstrom for the Panthers. I got LaJoie for the Senators. I'm going to say that one kind of last. Lars Anderson for the Rangers. Here I got an Dahlin and Elias Peterson. This is a checklist, the Young Guns card. Godot for the Canucks. Max Domi, Young Guns, different year. Here I have, darn. Why? I want to say Ferrari. That's Ferraro. Mario Ferraro, Young Guns. Another Felipe Myers. We'll just throw him up there. Max Jones for the Ducks. Lindblom for the Flyers. I like this one here. Young Guns, Brian Lee. I like the way the Young Guns are. Vladar. Paraku. Colton Paraku for the Guns. And here we have, I don't know, I'm guessing that this is a Young Guns, but in French. Don't know if I'm sure or not. But I didn't translate it, but I'm pretty sure that that's Young Guns. So he counts. And then I got another Young Guns of Haas. But not only that, I have an acetate one too. So you can see through it. See my finger? So I got two of these. So, well, that's the gun show, guys. I guess all I got to do is just this. Oh, by the way, I found two more guns. Yeah, I got a Pierre-Luc Dubois for the Blue Jackets, and a Kevin Sundlund for the Blue Jackets. Just wanted to add those two guys in there because I kind of didn't, or I was just looking through some cards and I saw them there, so I figured I'd add them, right? Okay, bye.